So you dropped your phone in the toilet. First, don't feel bad, you're in good company. 19% of people drop their phone in the toilet. But if you hear the telltale splash of phone in toilet, fast action will save your phone. The first step is to snatch that phone out of the toilet fast. You can wash your hands later. Next, give all the surfaces a good wipe with a paper towel. If you have an iPhone, do not take the battery out. It's a pain and it will end your warranty. Instead, put your iPhone into a bag of uncooked rice and set it in a warm place like by a window. Wait 24 hours before taking it out and turning it back on. If you have any other type of phone, such as a Windows phone or an Android, follow steps 1 and 2. But before dropping your phone into the absorbent rice, take out the battery and remove any caps, lids, and cases and more that you can and toss all the pieces into the rice. Water damage is typically an end-of-warranty situation. There's only one way to know that water is the ultimate killer: a small bit of white material which turns red when water makes contact. For an Apple phone, this is inside the headphone jack. For other phones, it's typically in the corner behind the battery pack. Either way, just make a lookalike from white paper and stick it on top of that tattling red spot. And with luck, no one will be the wiser and you'll have a brand new phone.